Ka project boarding ka balayatai haka cut motion ka dorbar senrai jong ka sngi balang ka arpo tarik unailur hajar arpo lai haying dorbar thau an ka jela unong thau an ka Mawhati ba chal smarngar ula kli ka wei ka project jong ka te ka tenan ka badang sateng wat lai ka te ka project la pendep ya ka detail project report bat kumba ka pau ka longru bala dep ban mang ban pendep ya ka haka jinglut ka ba san point sau klur tengka Uba chal sulai turu baya kane ka project lada ban pentikna ban menjur bandan ka grid substation ka ba shispa live ho RKV Nongpoh Ribhoi district ka badai ka headquarter jong ka Ribhoi district ka baya ka te jing menjur bat penmang la pentikna nadu ka lai tarik unai wing jong usnam hajar khatsan lengba ka board of director MEPDCL Hendrei ka ba sngosi ka long bagadang sateng tat hadu menta Utei nong thau ain lo ongru ba jendalala banbu ya kane ka grid substation ka ba shispa lai pho RKV Nongpoh Ribhoi district kan long ka jingirap ya baro ka wei ka district bakin shakta ha ka jingkerdu boarding ya ka tei ka chu ka phang unong thau ain ka Umsning u Dr. Celestin Lingdo kum ka jingkershan ya ka tei ka man ulo ong bala idon kam ban penstet no ya ka tei ka project daga baula penpau ba watla ka ladon ka jingkhang lenti na gitrai jaka haka wei ni kibenta badai yai lenti u line kate ka power green na berni hat Nongpoh balatip kum ka tru hydel project Henry ka tanat keladai ban thaulat ban penya lentino daga ba penkenria na shaka wei ka phang ban shu apsa tang hakate ka jaka ba sha khang Ulo ongru baga thmei jong ka boarding electric ka na Ribhoi district balai kisnong Ribhoi kidang mat ka jingkerdu boarding ka ba ka te ka benta utei nong thau ain la pen ksan ru daga ba ong baga thmei penmi boarding tang Ribhoi kidon ya ka wa umyam umtro bat ki wei ki jaka penyai ban penmi ya ka boarding
Sir, I will not take much time. Let me go directly to the explanatory note number 2. Sir, the amount of 3,36,50,000 is required as additional support to enable the MNREDA to pay salaries, wages, PPF, contribution of the officers and staff during the financial year 2023-2024. Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, may I know from the Honorable Minister of Power, what is the status of the solar system? I don't see that there are supplementary demand for solar system. As a state as a whole, we are facing a lot of problem of electricity, and I think that it is high time for the power department to focus more on solar system. May I know from the Honorable Minister what is the plan, intention of the power department for implementing of solar system. One more thing, sir, as one of our honorable member from Umsning has mentioned about the grid substation in Nongpoh, the headquarters of Ribhoi district. If you look at the explanatory note number 3 and number 3, the amount of 70 crore is required as additional support to enable the MECL to take over loss under UDAY schemes for operational and financial turnaround of power distribution companies. As per my knowledge, sir, the detailed project report for the construction of 132 kV substation Nongpoh Ribhoi district was sent, and also the estimate amount of cost of rupees 58.44 crores was approved by the Board of Directors MEPTCL on the 3rd November 2015. But till today, this project is still pending. May I know from the Honorable Minister what is the reason? If the Power Department can set up one great substation of 132 kV at Nongpoh, the district headquarters, I hope that it will be a blessing for the whole district of Ribhoi. May I seek clarification from the Minister concerned. What is the reason for the delay of setting up substation, great substation 132 kV at Nongpoh district headquarters? One more point, sir. As one of the representative from Mawhati constituency, being a rural areas, I'm very sad to see that my constituency, we face a lot of problems. Except, sir, I don't want to talk about the urban area. I think they enjoy maximum of power supply. But sir, most of the villages in rural areas, especially in my constituency, in Ribhoi district, they don't even get power supply for many weeks and months. For your kind information, sir, in my constituency, especially the Umsning area, there is no power supply. 3 hours in a day, they got power supply, which was badly affected our people and especially our students. So may I know from the Honorable Minister, several times I went to the office of the Director Distribution along with the headman of that area. But till today, sir, we are not getting power supply. So may I know from the Honorable Minister what is the reason, and also I request the Minister concerned to kindly take note and look into the matter so that our people who stay in that area, they will get power supply.
I want to be specific. To point number 4, 100 crores to enable the MECL to clear the power purchase dues. Time and again, discussions are held in this house about the efficiency and the viability of the MECL. I would like to bring the attention of the House. In fact, in the first session, we were given the State Finances Audit Report from the CAG. At page number 42, in the table that they have shown, the state public sector enterprises that are running in losses, there are 8 of them, and at the top is the MEPDCL. The net worth of MEPDCL now is minus 1,979.95 crores. That is the net worth. Now, when we come up to discuss about the efficiency, particularly I would like to raise the issue of Riboy district. I have kept questions also, but as we have seen, we hardly get the chance to touch our questions because the days for the session is very short. In Nongpoh, we have frequent power disruption. The reason is there is only one site or one line of supply that comes from stage 4, that is in 17 kilo, we call it locally, stage 4 of the MECL. Every time there is power disruption, the excuse that we get from the officers is that, oh, there are bamboos, there are vegetations that have touched the line, that's why we are getting these disruptions. We have a beautiful state here, why not we do it like the other states do? Call reputed companies who are experienced in distribution. Delhi has the Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited. Tata is a reputed house. West Bengal has the RP Sanjeev Goenka enterprise that distributes. And whenever we visit these states, we do not hear that they have power cuts. But here in Meghalaya, it has become a pain to everyone that we get load shedding most of the time. Specified, notified load shedding is there, informed by the office. Over and above of that, the unspecified, unnotified load shedding that happens abruptly without any information. My request here, sir, is for Nongpoh, it is not a new topic. Even Minister knows, I know, we have discussed. There is another line that comes from Bernihat, the Umtru project. If the stage 4 line is disrupted, we can connect from the Bernihat line. But the issue there is an issue of right of way. One particular landowner is not willing to part with the land to set up the poles. Minister is aware of that. We are aware of that. The issue here is, if the landowner says, I will not give till I die, or forever I will not part with my land, should we, the public, wait forever to get that second line? In MECL, they say they have that LILO, line in, line out. If the line from stage 4, 0 point is affected, then that becomes an LO. We can take an LI from Bernihat. But in absence of that, we have only one line. If it is disrupted, we remain in the dark. So I would like to point out these issues, and I would like to request the minister also to consider setting up a grid substation in Nongpoh as the district headquarters of 132 kV. I feel Nongpoh or Riboy district as such has been denied its rights. Denied in a sense, maximum power production is done from Riboy district, from Umyam project, Umtro Hadel project and the others, but the maximum disruption is happening in Riboy district only. I feel that is a great injustice to the people. So these are the few points that I would like to raise and bring to the notice of the minister. The issue of right of way at Changbangla in Nongpoh. If the landowner is not willing to part with the land, please have a plan B. If plan A fails forever, have a plan B and let us solve this issue for the people of Riboy district and the state as a whole. Thank you, sir.